don't even.
1700, 3 away from the time. 1700, good job, good job.
Nice. Awkward third wheel. Right?
What?
Right? What? Third wheel? Third wheel?
Yeah.
Third wheel. Third wheel picture. Oh, are you videoing it?
What?
Are you videoing it?
Yes.
Oh.
Now you totally feel like a third wheel.
Down like that.
I got my AC on fast.
Duncan.
Duncan.
This was a total jaywalk.
I want a crouton.
Where are the cars? Where are the cars?
Where them cars
The
at?
cars just stopped in the middle of the road. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's water.
There's no wallet.
Oh, Lord.
There's water.
We learned.
Ah.
Almost knocked into that.
Deadass.
Guys.
Yeah, we passed it.
How weird as well look.
Me walking around with a camera like this.
It looks like
all the
those
time.
typical YouTube shit.
Some YouTube.
This is what happens when you wear the weirdest
Bathing suit.
uniform ever.
Hashtag life for life.
You guys have fresh bagels?
So I got a cream cheese bagel.
Yo, what type of regular bagel? Like
No, like sesame. Then I also got Boston cream.
That was such a smart idea. Oh my god, I want.
That's the only donut I ever
Oh
had.
my god, it's so good. The cream
then-
inside. Yum.
I'm being
Then
like
I
the
get-
stranger in between two people having a
We're gonna
conversation.
have a conversation.
And then I got hash browns. Look at her. She's
You got
like,
all this shit right now?
I want a
I
Boston
got
cream
this.
donut now. Like now.
not happening. Not happening.
Not what we're actually saying. See, I told you.
What?
They put
They
something
put
in the
something in
bagel.
the bagels.
And that was a video, I think.
Yes, somewhat.
Oh my god, I just like died a little bit. Oh my god, I was being... Okay, when I got pulled over by the cop, like, I mean, I got pulled over by a cop, clearly. Okay, then I thought, like, I was driving on the FDR with Jake, and there's an undercover cop behind me, and I'm like, holy shit, they're like out to get me. They know that I did something wrong, and like the cop called up all of New York City cops and like, you see this car, you gotta tailgate her. So like the cop was behind me, and I'm like driving 40 because I'm scared to go any higher. And then I go onto the Brooklyn Bridge, and another cop shows up somewhere. And then he goes the opposite
Because there are
way.
always cops in the Brooklyn Bridge.
No. It like splits off, and he went towards the other way, and I went towards the bridge. And then there's that cop that waits at the front of the Brooklyn Bridge. And then when I get off, there's another cop that's like has his lights on and everything. And then just constantly I see cops everywhere. I'm telling you, they're like out to stalk me. Because I got pulled over once. Okay, twice, but the first time is not my fault. The first time was actually his fault. He pushed my mirror in.
All 8 times it wasn't my fault.
I promise you! I promise you it's not my fault. It was Jake. Jake came out, my mirror is pushed out, so he pushed it out too far. And the cop was like, excuse me, do you know what he did? He almost hit my car
Almost hit an officer.
Damn, look at this car. This is like a Ford.
No.
Look at this.
They redid the body. Water's coming out.
Oh, it's done?
Look at that. What?
Put the towel down. Give me a towel.
Ray, you left your flip flops.
I'm barefoot.
You wanna wipe up?